You can get payout with any of these options. You don't need to create or upload any videos. You don't even need a YouTube channel. This method doesn't use AdSense for monetization. Best of all, it's free. You don't need any money to get started. In this video, I will first start with an example showing you this exact method in use and how much they earn. Next, I will show you a free website you can use to replicate this method. And lastly, how you can monetize and make money with this method. Within this video, I will also give you 2 bonus tips to double your earnings. So make sure to watch till the end. Are you ready to learn this method and make money online on YouTube without making video? Hit that subscribe button and let's begin with the example. This site is a collection of various gaming videos that are from different YouTube channels. When I click on this video, you see it is a YouTube video that is embedded. Let's watch this same video on YouTube. When comparing, you can see that it shows the exact same video title and description. Let's look at another video. It also shows a YouTube video but from a different channel. Again, has the same video title and description as the video on YouTube. Did you know all these video titles and descriptions are automatically taken from YouTube via a tool? You don't need manually to go through each and every video and copy and paste details. All you have to do is set this up once and I will show you soon how to keep earning. Now you must be thinking, oh, I need to set up a website for this and go through all that. As I said at the start of this video, this method doesn't require any money to get started. So if you don't want to create a website of your own, you can use the method I show in this video next. Before going to that part, do you want to know how they make money with this method? Let's first look at how many pages this site has. If you go to Google and type site and gaming videos.tv in the search bar, it shows around 83,000 index pages. As you can see, all these are based on various gaming categories. Now, how much traffic do you think this site gets? Let's say on average, every page gets about 5 views a day. That's around 415,000 visitors a day. If I go back to one of the pages, you see it is monetized with various ads. Let's assume about 10% of 415,000 visitors click on that ad. That's 41,500. If the ad pays $0.5 for every click, that's 20,750 per day. Let's go even lower on the ad money. If each click is $0.1, then that's 4,150 a day. This is a genius way to make money from YouTube without making any videos. Do you like this method? If so, give this video a like and I will show you exact steps and free website so you can create something similar. This method is called video curation. It's about finding the best videos on a topic, compiling them, and sharing your finding with others. It is a legit way to make money online on YouTube without making videos. You can create a website like this for free. Here is an example page I created, and coming up next I will show you how you can collect YouTube videos and create a collection site like this. There are many ways to curate videos like this. The site I use, which is also free, is called elink.io. It is an all-in-one content curation tool that allows you to curate and publish video as a newsletter, web page, or website that's embedded. As you can see, they offer a free plan. The features that they offer in this free plan is more than sufficient for you to get started. Once you log in for the first time, it will say create your first post. Click on that and next select option to choose a template. Here you see various template types, but now pay attention. For this purpose, select video tutorial template. Then click use template. Then the template will load and all you have to do is add the related videos and then include a heading and you are done. Let me show you how that is done. Here you can add links to videos. Select a few videos based on a specific theme. The example I showed earlier was based on gaming, but you can select any niche that you like, and the best thing is you don't need to create any videos. You can use other people's videos as this site only embeds those videos. Copy and paste the link to the videos you want to use and it will automatically generate a thumbnail, title, and video description for each video. As an example, I will use some videos and build a page around earning money with YouTube. I have selected 4 videos, but you can add as many videos as you like. The next step is to add details to the page. You can upload a related image. Here I have added a money image. Then type in some information about the videos that you added. Since my videos are about making money online on YouTube, I have related headline followed by a short introductory text. You can also add a footer with some details. Here I choose to add a link to my blog and the YouTube channel. Then you can select a layout style. They have various options from 2 columns to 3 columns and so on. You can select whether you want to only have the video thumbnail and title, or if you want the video title, thumbnail, and the video description. If you want, you can change the settings in like font color, etc. But I will leave it as it is. Then when you're done, click save. You will be able to see your page like this. Keep watching. Next, I will show you how to make money online with this method. You can share this curated collection as a standalone web page or on social media to get traffic. If you have a website or blog, you can simply embed these curated videos directly. Now, the important part you have been waiting, how to make money online with this method. The example site I showed before used infolinks for monetization. Now here's the first bonus tip. You can earn more money with propeller ads. See here, it's free to register and supports 5 ad types. And as I mentioned at the start of the video, you can use any of these options to get payout. Now here's the second bonus tip. You can use Digistore24, then go to Marketplace and find a related affiliate product you can promote. Watch this video next to learn all the steps you need to follow for affiliate marketing.